Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to go through how I made this hair, this beautiful hair for my daughter. I'm also going to be showing you how I cut my son's hair. This is actually the first time I cut my son's hair, but I just thought I would plug that in. See how beautiful the hair is. It's got the two hair strands on the side, and I've got put beads inside, so it's two massive cornrows, very suitable for girls. And yeah, so first off is cutting my son's hair. So this is the first time I'm actually bobbing his hair. Other times other people would usually get it done, but this time the hair had grown so much and I was tired of seeing his hair so full and so grown. So the trick I used, I told him I was going to put a star sign in the hair because he saw a picture like that and he's like, oh, I really want the star sign, but I do not know how to put star sign. But I just told him, oh, I was going to put a star sign. So I just tried to do what I could. I was trying to do friction, but it wasn't working. All in all, I think I did really, really well for me doing this for the first time. He's got his own clipper, like a smaller clipper for kids, but I couldn't seem to find where the clipper was. But this one did a perfect job. See him sitting still like such a big boy. I'm so proud of myself being able to hook him up with this beautiful hairstyle. See the little end result. I was going to do like a quick turn around and show for him, but he's not having it. Like the movement he was doing wasn't the easiest, but we got there in the end. Like you can see me trying to make sure that he doesn't move too much and get injured, but it was so good trying to get this done. I'm pretty proud of myself for being able to pull it off. Anyways, next is my daughter's hair. So I've done one side. So I'm just trying to do the second side. I'm just combing it out now. Now her hair is all like proper virgin hair. So combing it in, I've put moisturizer in the hair. I've sprinkled some water with some leave-in conditioner as well. Now I've just cut one side, and that side I'm just gonna plait it ever so nicely. Now I'm just putting hair oil, hair cream. I'm using the Petal black gel as well. And then I'm just going to go in. I'm going to use extensions with this. That's some edge control I'm using because I need the hair to sleep. So I'm just applying the edge control now to the hair. And I've added some attachments because obviously I want it to be a bit long because the hair is not that long. So I've added some attachments, and then I'm going to add some nice, beautiful yellow beads like you can see me adding right now. So just checking it to see that both of them are on the same length, and then I put a rubber band in place to hold it nicely. And now to the main hair. So I'm just attacking the main hair. I'm going to be doing like Ghana weaving. Now I'm not a pro in this hair area, but I just like to actually make her hair and make my hair, and so that's what I'm currently doing now. I'm just going in, adding some small attachments and then weaving it, adding a bit more and weaving it, adding a bit more. And that's my son just putting nonsense in the edge control. Kids get up to things, you have to watch. So I've added a bit more attachment again, and then I'm weaving it and weaving. Obviously kids don't sit still, so you have to be patient and slow and follow their hair from left to right, because that head, they're gonna move it. So you have to master the tactics of being able to move around with them when you're trying to get the hair done. So that's me finishing the back of the head. Oh, that is my son hitting her head. I'm not sure why he's doing that, but apparently that's supposed to be some type of play. But anyways, I'm just weaving the ends of the hair now. We're watching some kids thing on the TV, and they're just trying to sing along. I've just quieted everything just so you can hear my cute pretty voice, if I do say so myself. Anyways, so I'm just finishing the ends of the hair. I'm just going to put that together just to check that they're of the same length. I'm just going to start wrapping that end around. I'll do that to the second side as well. Just wrap it around nicely. Then I'm just going to get a bubble and hold that in place. Now I'm just finishing the hair up with the edge control just to make sure everything is sleeping very nicely. Just brushing it down in place, and that's it now.
Yay! Is that rainbow outside? So we said thank you. Yay! Yay! Can you imagine? Something is happening.
Okay, so that's the end of this lovely video. Hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, you know what to do. Like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn on the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.